Many people regularly overlook one of the best opportunities to improve indoor air quality, the return air filter for their furnace or air conditioner. If your heating and cooling system is working like it should, all the air in your home will pass through this thing at least 4 times per hour whenever the system is on. A good quality air filter only costs just a few dollars more than the cheapest one, but instead of only catching about 15% of airborne pollutants like the cheap ones do, the best ones will stop as much as 99%. So look for HEPA or carbon filters and those with electrostatically charged fibers for the best results. Then change these filters regularly, about once every 3 months. This will not only keep the air cleaner, it'll also allow the blower in your system to work less, saving a lot of energy dollars. You can also shave some fat from your heating and cooling budget by simply adjusting the thermostat a few degrees down or up. Keep your sweater on inside in the winter and use ceiling fans during the summer. Every time you do this, you'll be saving energy and money. Now, to make the most out of the air you heat or cool, be sure that the perimeter of your home is properly sealed. Check for any gaps or cracks around the outside of your home and be sure the weather strip around doors and windows is in good working order. Now, even if you have a newer home, it's also a good idea to check the insulation in your attic or basement. The Department of Energy has specific recommendations for insulation levels in all regions of the country, and you can check out our website at DannyLipford.com for the most current information. Making sure your insulation levels are where they should be is one of the easiest ways for homeowners to maximize their home's heating and cooling efficiency. While you're at it, it's also a good idea to check any heating and cooling ducts that run through these spaces to be sure that they're completely sealed. A few dollars worth of foil tape and duct mastic will save hundreds of dollars worth of conditioned air that would otherwise be wasted.